Good morning, lovely people. Hello, hi, how are you doing? It's a very stressful morning for me to be this chirpy. I'm currently in the parking lot of UTEC because I have an exam to go and do in the next 20 minutes. Am I excited about it? No, I'm not. But I'm excited that I finally got the courage to start this vlog. I've been putting it off for a couple of days just because I've been studying. I've been in the house looking a mess, so it never really make much sense to start it, to be honest. But it started now, and yeah, I have to go and do the people them exam finals in the next 20 minutes, as I told you guys. I only have 2 final exams, one today, one tomorrow morning, same time, 9 o'clock, bright and early. I wake up from bed from 6:30 this morning because the traffic was ridiculous. It's always ridiculous. Yeah, after that I'm done, and I have some stuff to do, so I'll be showing you guys that. Classify this like a pre-birthday vlog because y'all know my birthday is the 7th, so yeah, just think of it as a pre-birthday vlog. I'm going to be doing some preparations and stuff, so yeah, I'm gonna walk around to that place, you know, because it's very far from where I parked. Come on, my mom park on the side of them, scratch up the lady car, so let's come in the parking lot. So yeah, I'm sorry for the chewing, guys. I'm so ghetto. It's not ghetto to chew gum, but I'm just, you know, it's not good manners to chew and talk. So yeah, I'm gonna go now. Pray for me, y'all. Pray for me, because this exam is gonna whoop my ass. I'm not manifesting that, but you know, yeah, it's gonna. I don't mind how come, so I hope she don't want to teach her. I think I want to teach her part of my parking. I don't care. I'ma go. See y'all when I leave this exam. It's above me now. Yeah, and guys, the way all the exam angle me in there, I had all of the zero them. Although I know say zero it come out, but the way the exam I move grammar me, I say boy today the zero might equal to something. So make sure I calculate it. Not it angle me. The exam angle me. I'm not gonna tell nobody. I'm not gonna ruin nobody. I know some pass, but it never have to rough me up, so it angle me. I just stop and get something to eat. It's now 2:12. I'm gonna hello, I'm not gonna eat this here. My appetite not even up my plate. I'm a bex because the exam rough me up. The person who said that exam paper them nice as I am, because there was no reason to put formulas from the units that are not even on the test paper, but the formulas that are needed for the units that are on the test paper are absent. But them do what them want to do. By them own big people. It's just above me now. So I'm gonna take my ass home and see if I can come back on the road to do the other stuff that I need to do. I don't want to exam tomorrow, so I need to really zone in on that this evening. My 8th of finals, but give me all of the coursework. Don't give me the finals. Just give me coursework. See you in the next clip. If me that video the roof, I'm so sorry. I'm stressed out. I'm stressed. Okay, guys. So remember I told you that when I got home I was going to eat. Did I tell you I was going to eat? I don't remember. But I went home and I ate, and now I'm back on the road because I have a couple stuff that I need to get, and there are some stuff that I have a couple stuff that I need to get before the weekend is
I
out.
drove all this way for it not to.
Actually carrying a load. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Niceness.
How are you doing?
How are you?
Hola. Oh my gosh,
soy
it's 12:59. It's time for me to post Vlogmas.
I want to go the ear store. I want to go Rapid True Valley. I need to go somewhere else in Africa to go buy a gift. I think there's
I need to go gift shopping too. So much money.
Did you buy my gift?
Jesus, don't ask me no. Don't ask me anything. You buy my gift, them?
I bought them, yes. And guys, if you're in Jamaica, don't try shop from the iron store. Cause they're gonna cancel it.
But for me, if I'm shopping at a designer store, is either somebody have to come down, or them have to go to the store for me, or me order it in a for them name, or what. Let's just be real. A divine go buy it and him go bring it home. Because I never have to do that, you know. But yeah, Jamaica kind of wall long pan them things when it comes.
Why this I show your face? Orange. Focus on the lady. It don't like.
So take it off of me. Take it off of me. Take it off of me.
But I'm sure it will show me good now. So it will show me all. But yeah, just ensure that if you're ordering from a designer store online, all of your information is the same.
Like 2 weeks.
Because them not send you when you refund you know.
Take a long time.
Your money not come back same time, you know. And people not rich. If you're not rich, you should not buy from designer store, to be very honest. But I said, you know what? Yeah. But I've one egg.
Or you can take a quick trip and fly out.
Yeah.
For go buy designer. Because Jamaica's economy, I don't know why we not have certain stores here on the island. It's like all you have, like, in terms of like jewelry and so, them will sell. Them have a little bijou and then something there. But
What's up about the bijou, you know?
to be honest, we want little. You know them with it? We want like a Cartier on them something there.
But I don't like them something like the Bahamas. Someone understand what you can do.
That's what I'm saying. Jamaica is one of. I can't speak for a lot of other places.
Anyways, yeah, that we're gonna do, and then we're gonna go study, go finish study for my next exam. But no, I did supposed to see my drastic drop in in a mood when I come back from the exam, but people. Yeah, tomorrow my last exam, and then we have a little rendezvous. Yes. But first, before we head back to Half a Tree, because we're in Barbican now, we're going to Son has some stuff to make, and then we go. Yeah. So see you then. She's posting Vlogmas now, so whenever you're watching this, just go over to her channel and catch up.
25 days of posting.
Nobody asked me, because no.
25 days of posting.
No.
Posting. No. 25 days of posting.
I'll see you guys when we reach at the hair store, because is it the hair? Yes, the hair store before we reach Rapid True Valley, and then yeah.
Period.
Speaking like some of you, feel like some of us. The drinks, I should drink this. It's so strong, and I mean, I forgot what's the exam tomorrow. I don't think so much time to get to get to it. I'm not here. You're here. I'm cool. Stop the lie. When I tell her no, she's not going to cool over there. She's definitely not cool. Yeah. Alright guys, so just to leave, I literally only bought one thing, and that is this heat protectant. I don't know anything about this brand, I just could bother to stop and search. It's Hask Essentials.
I've never seen it before.
I've never seen it, I've never heard of it. I just gotta try it because I couldn't find no more. Never have the time, and it was cheap. It was yeah, $9.85. So that's the only thing I got in there. Missy over here, on the other hand, wasn't supposed to come in, and she racked up a bill.
I've been wanting to
Her
go.
bag is behind there when I only Bomba bad man at the day. Bad man at the day. Look how my bag here. I only have one party bag and she
Can I drive that way?
yeah.
I can't cut across the plaza, so.
I only have a party bag and she have a whole grocery store bag and me make me stop. She never did the plan for stop. You know? Yeah. But I'm on to the next location now.
I very much needed those stuff that I went ahead and got.
Anything you tell yourself, sweetheart.
What you want to say?
To get the spray paint. I also need to get a handheld vacuum. I don't think I'll get that in Rapid Valley even if they have it.
Why? It's in the mind so expensive.
Yeah, so we reach. We basically reach. We just have to go look parking right now. Alright guys, so we found it. Are we trying to forget? I have no idea which one I'm supposed to get. Oh shoot. I'm looking for white. It's just a white one that I want. So let's see. So I found it and I'm getting two. I think this should be good enough for what I'm gonna do, and you guys will see further down what it is going to do. Yeah, I'm just gonna catch this one and then head to the next stop. Okay guys, so it's day 2. Hopefully my phone don't fall off. How much mama catch it. Okay, so it's day 2 and the final day. I got here a little bit early today. I'm like 45 minutes early, but I'm going to take the opportunity to read over before I head around to where the exam is happening. I just want this to be done with. Like, I just want to go in there, do my best and come out. Honestly, like, I'm so over it. Out of every course that I've done since I've been at UTech, this is definitely the worst. The lady, she don't teach. Like, she don't teach at all. She just read off her lecture slides and then yeah, it's the worst course I've done so far. And I've done a lot of bad courses, but this is by far the worst. And it's not a hard course, it's just the way you should go about things. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do. After that, I'm just going to go home and sleep. I'm so tired. Honestly, like, I'm so tired. So when this time is, I'll go sleep. Someone has an appointment at 4. At 5, I don't think I'm going with her though, because the person has a policy that you can't bring anybody. You just have to come by yourself. So yeah. So I'm gonna read over now, and I'm gonna see my back after the exam. If I'm not seeing my back, just gonna say it was bad. It was real bad. See you, nephew. Okay guys, so I'm back from the exam. It wasn't bad. It was just too long and boring. Boring bad. It's not a module that I'm necessarily interested in. It's just to fulfill my minor requirements, and it did seem like one of the easiest one out of the lot. But it boring bad, man. We're not gonna lie. I have managed. So in the exam book, I'm going to go sleep, you know. I'm tired bad. tired. I'm not used to them waking up early. I'm still there, so I'll see you guys when I am home. Okay? Okay.
Yo, money holiday. Ha grab card. Spin town. No fraud. Science. Well done, client. Baby, have fun ready.
They can't sing with Jamaica for Christmas.
So I know I initially told you guys that this is going to be a pre-birthday vlog, but we're cutting it very close, so it doesn't make no sense. Just like a bit one vlog. We are going, where we are going, mommy?
Huh?
Where we are go? Shh, don't tell nobody. Yes, so we're doing a little weekend rendezvous. Not so much weekend no more because it's Saturday. And we are left tomorrow and come back Tuesday, which is the 6th. And that's when my birthday the 7th. So that's what I'm saying now. You know, but that makes sense. Me can't go. I could, but it's go too far in the back. So I'm not going to even bother like try split it in two. But I'm just do one thing and done. Mommy done pack for her bag. I need to pack my bag so I look at my because she go film and she tell me some enough camera on her. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get stuff together for my spend the night. Ooh. I'm scared. I look at miss. I know, I'm not gonna tell me. Okay, so my thing is I'm going to flat-iron my hair for my birthday, and my hair is very dirty right now, like very, 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 very extremely dirty. My ear now wash from my wife Victoria's Secret and add them something and a whole heap of product going on my ear the night there. And I wanted to wash it, but it doesn't make sense because if I wash it, I would have to wash it again Tuesday to flat iron it, and it's currently Saturday. As I say, I'm not gonna wash my ear that much. I don't. I please want something else. I don't wash my ear that much. For wash it 2 times in other space of what that 2 days, 3 days. I don't fit that much. So I'm just waiting it out until Tuesday to wash my hair so that I can flat iron it for my birthday. Alright? What am I doing for my birthday? Absolutely no idea. I just bought an outfit that I thought was cute to wear on the day, take some pictures. You know, feel nice about myself, but I don't really have some plans. I'm not really that crazy about my birthday. Ever since I've been having birthdays. So, yeah. We're going to the hotel. That's a form of, you know, birthday gift. So, yeah. That's what we're gonna be doing tomorrow, and tomorrow we're only spending 2 nights. Tomorrow night, Monday night, come back Tuesday morning, as I said. So yeah, I'm gonna go pack my bag. Should I show you guys what's in my bag? No, I won't. I'm just going to show you guys. I'm not going to show you guys what I'm packing in my bag. I'm just going to come back to you guys in the morning when we're leaving to head to Mobile. Why? I don't know. I don't have a good reason. It's just like I don't even know what I'm putting in the bag. I'm just gonna pack my bag. I'm not really. So I'll see you guys in the morning when we're leaving for Montego. So give them eye, they're gonna see a good while. Mr. Tell them eye. You don't have no sense. No sense you don't have. People, it's now Sunday morning and we're getting ready to leave. I wonder if we can catch my phone and give them one outfit. Why the way all my mind work? Never see.
Yeah,
it's up like the camera.
Yeah.
It's a drop out. Wait.
Yeah, just put it little further.
Yeah. Up for it. I know a piece of metal in anyway, but.
What's good for the people that might start?
This is the outfit. It's giving athletic. It's giving I go to the gym with these babes over here. It's giving I lift weights. I use my ass muscles and lift weights. Whenever I get in my outfit, I did there. Okay. So yeah, it's now, I think how many is the 12? But checking is 3 anyways, and it normally take 3 hours to reach Mobile, so we're on perfect timing.
And then you want to drive.
Huh? Where?
What?
What you mean?
You're still foolishness.
But for true?
You think to me I'm gonna drive all the way?
I'm not saying I'm gonna drive the whole way, but why you say it so?
You want me to say what's the...
I'm gonna drink glucose tea and belch off, I guess. It's my birthday week. Why I'm for sure?
How kind of foolishness that chat for now?
What?
Drop over in your new whip. Bring some friends you cool with. I'ma bring the cool whip. Then I want you to strip. See you is my new chick, so we get our grind on. She be grabbing, calling me Biggie like Shine Home. Man, I swear she fine home. Why she always lying on? Telling me them diamonds when she know they rhyme. She got a light-skinned friend, look like Michael Jackson. Got a dark-skinned friend, look like Michael Jackson. I play ready for the world, she was ready for some action. My dog said you ain't no freak, so you got to prove my man wrong. I'ma play this Van Charles, you gon' take your pants off. I'ma play this Gladys night, me and you gon' get right.
We're here. We checked in. We got complimentary champagne. Mommy got rum punch. And we're looking for bathroom because the girlies wanna pee. Watch post. You're lucky. Yeah, so we're just trying to find a restroom and then possibly somewhere to get something to eat. But I don't know when I'm ears them to then cock up. But the property is really nice. It's like real cute. Yeah. We need to welcome secrets. So yeah, we're just looking for somewhere to get something to eat. This song gonna do it for me every time. Boy, say. Oh, does it? I don't know. Celebrity. Molly. Give me a slow line. Body lie with. Big tune. No, man, them saying you get money, drugs. I say Chris Brown, Link Valley and Science Man for that song. I'm not telling them. Like nude. Kidding. Mama,
You're going to have to
When you enter.
I got you.
Okay.
This is nice.
Give me too far, but we have to get here in the ocean front.
Oh, okay.
Should I look you before you
Ooh, this is nice. No roaches or nothing. Ooh, this is a vibe. This is a vibe. This is real nice. Very cute.
Very much is that bad.
You know, for the hot girl picture. Okay. Maybe not, but I can picture them. And then we have a nice big balcony. Yep. It's currently after 4. We're gonna go to what time are we dinner?
Like 6, like to 6.
We're gonna go to dinner like around 6. So So start get ready for that. And so guess we'll come back. Yeah, so it's getting a little bit crowded now. But we're going to dinner. We came here earlier, but the place book out. Came here earlier, but they've never did, so I come back now online from we wanted there earlier. But just come get. We never bother change and at up there. We just come forget something. So yeah. We're at this place called Blue Mountain. That's it. And they're showing a movie on the side of this building. I don't even know if it's a movie or just... I don't know what this is, but they must show something. And I find it rather bushy. So yeah. Morning time. We look mashed up. We just wake up. So when it's absent, she decided that she's not coming for breakfast because she has to turn into a hot girl. We also have to turn into hot girls, but we also need to know who we turn into. So, we're at breakfast. You're mute? Yeah, so we're in a line. I think it's probably full inside where we're in a line. I'm not sure. But yeah, that's what we're doing. Just wake up. But it's early, just wake up. So, money. I'm gonna get some money. It's a big guys. I have no like vlogging etiquette. This is what I got. I'm basically almost finished with it. Steamed vegetable and breakfast potatoes. Mommy, she sugar and she full up her plate with one bag of something. What you have, mommy? What you have?
So I got hash brown, scrambled eggs, toast bread, Danish, melon and bacon.
I want to know the address, but she's not going to eat it off of me. She's not going to eat that.
Oh, that's a lady. She don't clean her plate while she has
Me the business way you want to say with me. I can name and scrape out every last thing out of the plate. Me not name to please nobody.
No, me please myself, so me eat from long time.
So you eat, you share up more than you know you're going to eat. So you can look like a lady.
No.
Is that you do? Is that you do?
All when it's one side, I might not eat it all.
And your belly not full when you do that?
Me eat the field, you know.
Anything you say. Anything you say, mommy. Watch her. To the camera. Sit down. And them life you want to live. This is why she never come down with me, because she had a room service. Fever Pope. Watch mommy.
You said I should share.
Hey. They don't want any.
No, I'm good on this. I don't think I don't say anything like that.
Entices you?
Liquor radam yo.
Yeah, me eat lunch and dinner, but not this. This is not
This
my
is some
vibe.
grapefruit juice. Care for some, mommy?
Some what?
Grapefruit juice. Sure.
Ew.
I'll leave y'all to it.
Take your camera out of my face. Oh, for me, take your camera out of my face. Take your camera out of my face.
Alright, I'm done.
You know them say ramping, cause cramping. Don't ramp with me.
You love the ramping, no?
Don't ramp with me. Don't ramp with me.
Show me. Move out of the way.
Don't ramp with me. You take it easy this time though. Where you going in a black bikini? You look nice still.
Me not trust it.
You
You're
look nice.
shady.
You look
You're
nice.
shady, but move out of my way.
You gonna look for a bikini with change, you know?
No more, no. I didn't alone, my
So when you move, go like you go change. It look nice.
Camera.
It look nice.
No, me not take that no. Me not
But me
take
say
that.
it look
Look at
nice.
first.
Me say you move it, you do it simple today. You make me look like a giant, you know?
Cause you are.
Come on for me. Get off of me. Get off of me.
Girl, you warm me up when the night cold. You do something to my soul. You're pretty, yeah. All right, Swan. All right.
I'm done.
Let's go. We're moving there.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Which way you coming out, actress? Boom, ba. Get your ring. Boom. Show me. She licked me never know.
I'm sorry. You know I never mean.
No violence around here. No violence.
My nose is bleeding. Don't touch me, because you told me my nose a while ago.
I'm sorry.
Actress. We're there, we're powerful. I'm not telling people, me half drunk. You see me there? How you feel, Swan? So you feel? You feel like an actress?
We're going to party where we're going to.
We're gonna get ready for dinner. Actress mother. The cloud them look like them fake.
We're having dinner today.
Over here on the rooftop.
So we have dinner what food?
We go vibe.
What?
Don't want to go on the town?
No, for what? $10 million years later, I'm just a come back. I wonder over this post vlog month. So they're back in the place.
Back in my
Flying back.
See?
Touchdown in the town, they in the city, you know.
Yeah, with a scanner back from my area.
Don't on the ground and run off things.
Yeah.
I'm washing my hair. I am currently deep conditioning because I go flat iron it. Mommy I go blow dry it and then she I go flat iron it. Cause I don't know say I done date tomorrow.
The doll turns 44.
Hey girl, don't know what it is. Nothing's wrong to turn 44. I wanna grow old. I wanna see old age, but we don't reach this age. So yeah, I have like, honestly, my time up with this. I just dread to go back in the water because the water cold bad. Bad. So, I go wash out this and then mommy I go blow dry it for me and then Suhan can get started on her part of the work. Because I get the lady a roast, you see. But yeah, I gotta do that now. I gotta stop stall. Me really been a stall for about 5 minutes. But so I gotta do it now. Yeah. Yeah, so you're just done blow dry and now we're gonna go ahead and flat iron it and I don't remember when I go the hair store, go buy this. So this is what we're going to be using as the heat protectant. As some reason I know not more this, so I'll see how it works. So yeah. My brain said let me work so well, you know. I do a whole clip a while ago and the Christmas tree made that video. I was telling you guys that I finally start. And it's going to be a very long process. I can't believe say none of that I gonna never catch. Are you want your negative energy? You gonna run me. Run me. I'm a still.
You don't need that energy right now.
I'm still but I really can't believe say a Christmas tree made a video. Anyways, we still know when it's done. Which will probably be around 11 o'clock them time then.
Chill out.
Alright guys, so this is the finished look.
I'm gonna give them the proper look, man. I can't give people that piece of look that alone. Wait. That's it, guys. Ooh.
Yeah. It took us a whole 2 hours.
Yep. So that's it. That's all. I got something for you come on. Alright guys, so it is currently my birthday and we're about to start getting ready to go to dinner. We made plans at Oceano for dinner, so I'm just gonna start getting ready for that. And yeah. Alright guys, so this is the finished look for the hair and makeup, this is all that I'm gonna be doing. I can't assist her well, but I feel like there's some flyaways on the top. There's nothing I can do about that still if there are flyaways on top, because I don't want to weigh down the hair. So yeah, this is how it's looking. It's currently like after 6 and the reservation for the place is like at 8. So I still have a time before we have to leave. So yeah, that's how the face and the hair is looking. I really like it. It's different. It's cute. That's why I even opted to straighten my hair, because I wanted a different look without having to put in weave. So yeah, I'm really excited to put on my outfit and go ahead and take some pictures, because as I said, that was the only plan I had for the day. I just got an outfit because I wanted to take pictures, not necessarily go anywhere. But yeah, still grateful to be getting out the house. So I guess I'll see you guys in the next clip when I am dressed. Alright guys, so this is the outfit of the night. I have some blue boots, silver handbag, white sweatpants, white merino shirt, silver necklace, and a white merino. So yeah, this is it. This is it. Okay guys, so we're here at Oceano. I got my drink. Question. Mommy them get shot. Why you skin your teeth like that?
Because she getting 2. She not just get 1.
You guys, Mommy, why you have to look so like you're in a parliament? Sure. If you guys didn't know, today is my 22nd birthday, so that's why them said I'm giving 2 shots.
Yeah. Fix your face. Let's stop one. So guys, she never wanna do no.
I wasn't going to come anyway. This is the
we are going to fall.
So yeah, we have 3 more people coming, and then we just gonna eat dinner and go home. Go home, present them.
Just hold it, mommy. Just hold it while she takes it.
See, knowing me now, what are you doing?
I'm vlogging.
Knowing me now, are you surprised? No. Because in the moment you're like, okay.
I'm almost drunk.
That's crazy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Yes, sir, she is.
Happy birthday!
What should let them take? Oh, sure. I never said I cut off. We're leaving. We're leaving.
I don't know if it's just my eyes.
I can't see. Watch Diva.
Thank you.
We're through. We're through. What is that? We're done. Dinner was amazing. We had 50 different conversations at once.
Right?
But it was good. And I'm drunk. I'm not drunk. Which pictures?
Whose food is that on the table, baby? Oh, I'm on. And I don't hear.
Bye, you're leaving.
You were blurry. Hold on, you have to focus it. Shami, you've been recording this whole time? It was blurrier?
Because I'm
Bye, baby.
Robin is so obsessed with pictures.
The one that actually
You need to circle her. You need to put a note on this vlog and say she's obsessed.
Robin is obsessed with pictures.
I'm not. You're not?
I'm not. It's just not. It's just I'm very hard to please.
Rochelle is taking a picture right now. I don't know of what, but we move. Okay, we're leaving.
This is so cool.
Oh, that's cute. It's so Gen Z.
Girls just know what it means to be alcohol. This is so cool.
So Gen Z.
Who's so Gen Z?
I love it. You are mine. Mwah. Alright guys, so that pretty much wraps up this vlog. I'd say this birthday was a success. In the first half, I'm not gonna lie, I was a bit underwhelmed. When I just came on camera, I woke up from sleeping out half of the day. Things weren't going the way I wanted them to, but eventually they fell into place, and yeah, it was a pretty decent birthday. I can't complain for the latter half. So yeah, big up the doll. What is so? Big up the doll there. Big up she for always coming through, coming to the rescue, So yeah, it's currently 2:03 in the morning. I just not too long got in. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and end the vlog here. You guys will be seeing me again in a few days because I have another vlog coming. So get used to my face, okay? Yeah, that's it. If you guys like the video, don't forget to go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't bother spam the birthday with. Don't bother spam the comments with happy birthday. I'm very appreciative to everyone that wished me a happy birthday, but comment something else from the vlog because my birthday is. Oh, I'm posting this somewhere. Never mind. When I can't put happy birthday in the comments. But yeah, that's all for this week's video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. So until next time.